I call it the candy apple.
Ooh, the candy apple.
Basically, it's vodka, cranberry juice, lemon juice, and then I made a simple syrup with apple and cinnamon, which is very easy. You just
Look,
take...
and it's got cranberry juice in it, which is filled with antioxidants.
Yes.
So it's really a health drink.
And it's got apples. So you do equal parts sugar and water.
For your simple syrup.
For your simple syrup. And then I also put in cinnamon. That's plain simple syrup. But then I put in cinnamon.
Cinnamon sticks and
a bunch of sliced apples. And then you just heat that till the sugar melts.
Delicious.
And then you can store it in the fridge.
And then you strain it?
You strain it and store it in the fridge.
And you could have this all of the holiday season long. It's not just specific to Halloween, right?
Oh, no, because you got fresh cranberries for garnish if you want.
Right,
and
so
those
that's
are easy
very
to
festive,
find this time of year.
Right, and very festive.
Very festive. And, yeah, this could be a great Christmas drink, too. A holiday drink.
What was that cool... We've been to a lot of real speakeasies in New York. They're really fun. This is really cheap, John.
Well, I'm not done yet.
We couldn't afford a full-size grown-up cocktail?
We're having a party,
Oh,
so...
champagne!
Champagne!
Can we throw in some cranberries?
Garnish it with cranberries and
Nice.
cinnamon sticks and
Lovely.
a straw.
See, it's healthy.
Ish.
Healthy-ish. Okay, I got the sticks. You got the straws.
Straws.
Now, we're gonna do a version of our Lucky You. Someone in our audience is going to win a cool prize. But because it's Halloween, and Boo is here in the other room, our Boo.
Our Boo.
We're gonna call this Lucky Boo. Put everybody's name into the cauldron. I am going to ask you, so that they will all still like me, to choose a card.
So it's going to be my fault when you don't get
To choose a card, and that person is going to win my, as of this week,
number 5.
New York Times best-selling latest cookbook. And this person is going to get a 12-piece Cucina hard anodized pot and pan set.
It's a good one.
And this person is going to get my cast iron enamel pots as well. So
that's all the stuff you use.
That's right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, close your eyes.
Go this way.
Fish around. Get in there. Who's the winner?
Danica Elick. Elick?
Illick?
There she is.
Danica!